Hi, let's take a look at how to make a toolbar for Python with Tkinter. This is the result. You get two buttons here, and if I click them, something happens. So let's see what we did here. We did imported all the images in this folder here. We got the icons that we could use for the toolbar, and then we made the window, created this variable here to hold all the images that are by this function here, and this is the action that is called when we press the button. And then we created a frame, and into the frame we put two buttons, the first button here and the second button, and in this button here you can see we get the toolbar, that is the frame in which the button is contained. Then we have a relief flat that makes our button to be flat like this, and then we have compound left. This is used to put the image next to the text here. Then we have to name the text. Then we have the comment, that is this one. It's just an example what you can do when you press the button. You can change it for your purposes. And then we have the image. The image is equal this image contained into this dictionary, and the dictionary here is created by this line that refers to this function, and into this function we create a dictionary taking each of the file in this folder here, and then getting the path of the file, and then extracting here the name of the file without the path, so that we can take just the name without the last part of the file, so that each key of the dictionary will have this name. That would be, for example, for the notepad would be just notepad, the key. For html.png to html, etab.png would be the key would be etab, and so on, so that we can call it our image, can put it here, the image, making using the dictionary with the key of the image that we want to use for the toolbar for. So that is why we have this picture, these images in here. So you can add other buttons, copying this one, putting this one here, and you just have to change the name. For example, save the command. You can change the command, of course, and you can change your icon, for example, using plus here. And so you will have this one here. It's bigger than the other. You can adjust the image, or you could do something like use a sub. This is to zoom. And this will shrink so you can see here you can do something like this if you don't want to change the image, and you just go and for some of this one you can make them bigger. No, you cannot put a, if you do so you leave it as it is. If you go 2, it will become the half of it. If you go 3, come even smaller, so you can adjust them in this way if you don't want to touch the image. And so that's all for our toolbar with Tkinter in Python. Thank you.